Does this happen to you? You feel like you've had a fantastic year. Sales were coming in, the team was working hard, everything felt good. And then you open your profit and loss statement and it hits you. Wait, how did we end up with this? Margins are lower than expected, expenses are way higher than you thought, and suddenly all that confidence turns into confusion. Oh, but are you wondering why you should listen to me? Let me tell you, I am Rashmi Zoshi, born into business and obsessed with systems. I've bought and streamlined a 25-year-old business, automated it, and scaled it. Now I help entrepreneurs do the same with the magic of systems. So, most business owners only realize what's going wrong after it's too late because they don't get insights during the year. They get a summary at the end of the year. And by then, you can't change what's already happened. No one's really checking which product is actually profitable, which orders are draining resources, which services are slowly killing your margins. We don't track these things as they happen, and that's where the leak begins. That's why you need systems, not just to do the work, but to reflect back what's really happening. So at any point in the year, you can see what's working, what's not, where you're wasting time, money, or effort. And more importantly, you can fix it in real time, not after the damage is done. So here's one simple shift you can make. Before you even take up any order, know exactly what numbers you expect from it. The margin you want, the cost it should take, the time it should consume, all of it. Set those expectations upfront. Then, as the work moves forward, your system should help you verify whether those numbers are matching up. And if they're not, you cache the gap immediately. That's how real control is built. And here's the bonus. When this kind of data is stored and visible, your team doesn't have to wait for you to point out mistakes. They can spot mismatches themselves. They know when the margin is off or when an order is taking longer than it should. And instead of relying on you, they come to you with insights ready with them. That's a huge step towards automation because people have now become more independent and more responsible and more aligned with your goals. Insights aren't meant to show up at the end of the year. They're meant to guide your decisions every day. Because when you see clearly, you can act wisely. And that's what systems do. They give you clarity, control, and the power to course correct early. So if your numbers keep surprising you at the end of the year, it's time to stop working with your eyes closed. Setting simple systems is what turns that surprise into strategy. If you've liked what I've talked about, keep watching these videos. You know there's lots more where that has come from. See you in the next one.